If you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A26, here are many ways of doing this. So let's start with the first one, and the first one is to locate our power button and volume down button. If you're gonna press those two buttons simultaneously, the screenshot is going to be made. You can find all of the screenshots in your gallery. So the second way is through our assistant, whether it's Bixby or Google. So simply ask your assistant to do this. Hey Google, take a screenshot.
I took a screenshot.
Nice, the screenshot is saved to our gallery. The next way is to swipe down from the top right corner. Then we gotta locate our screenshot. If it's not here, like I don't have it, not a big deal. Let's tap on this pencil icon, press edit, and locate your screenshot option. There it is. Press done. Press done at the top right corner, and now you can make a screenshot. All right, let's go to the next step. So the next step is our features, is our motion. So let's open our settings, scroll down to your advanced features, locate your motions and gestures, and locate your spawn swipe to capture. So now we have to swipe from the edge of our hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Let's do this. Grab our phone, grab your hand. Easy as that. The screenshot is made. All right, the next way is our edge panels. Let's open up our settings, locate your display, locate your edge panels, make sure that they're turned on, and you gotta locate your tasks. Let's turn off our apps for now. Now if we're gonna summon our edge panels, we can press take a screenshot, and the screenshot is made. The next thing is our assistant menu. So open up your settings, scroll down to your accessibility, locate your interaction and distractivity, and enable your assistant menu. Tap on it, and here you'll find your screenshot as well. Now let's talk about our scroll and screenshot. So open up any long page, for example, your settings, make a screenshot with any way comfortable, and locate this icon. Tap on it, and as you see, the more we tap, the more, let me redo it. So the more we tap, the more we capture. So keep on capturing, and when you're done, simply close it. Now you can find your long screenshot in your gallery, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.